Welcome to English Gems.
Hello everybody. Today we are going to learn the second sound A in Group 1 Judy Phonics book. Okay, let's look to this picture. Have you ever been to a picnic? Oh, I love picnics. So, let's have a look at this family. We have got Mom. Her name is Anne. Dad, his name is Alex. Mom and Dad took Annabelle and Adam on a picnic. They made sure that they took special things for their picnic to get ready to go. And they made sure that they had a mat. They had a mat. Annabelle, she has got a hat. Oh, Mom put in her picnic basket jam to make a sandwich. Adam was munching an apple. They were having a great time while she felt something crawling up her arm. Something was tickling her arm. There were ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. They are causing me alarm. Okay, let's sing together.
Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. They're causing me alarm. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. They're causing me alarm.
Please look at this picture and try to find out the words that have the sound A. Oh, I can see a family. Anne. Alex. Adam. Ant. Jam. Apple. Hat. Mat. Sandwich. Rat. Arrow. Bag. Man. Rabbit. Arm. Action of the sound: wiggle finger above elbow as if ant is crawling on you and say يعني هنحرك ايدينا كده صوابعنا على الذراع ونتظاهر ان في نمل بيمشي علينا وبيقرصنا Let's revise the words with sound s. Sun, sand, nest, spots, stick, sea, grass, hiss, spend, sunny, snail, Sam, spooty, Samson, swim, swim, sneak, sneak, skip, skip. Let's read one more time the words that have the sound a. Family, family, an, Alex, Alex, Adam, Adam, ant, ant, jam, jam, apple, apple, hat, hat, mat, mat, rat, rat, sandwich, sandwich, arrow, arrow, bag, bag, man, man, rabbit, rabbit, arm, arm,